Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of proprietary trading. In this video, we'll shed light on a unique type of prop trading known as no-evaluation prop firms. If you've ever wondered what these firms are all about, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What is a no-evaluation prop firm? A no-evaluation prop firm, also known as an evaluation-free prop firm, is a type of proprietary trading company that offers aspiring traders the opportunity to trade with the firm's capital without requiring them to pass a prior evaluation or assessment. This means that traders can start trading immediately, bypassing the traditional evaluation process typically found in other prop trading firms. Sounds interesting, right? Let's explore more. Segment 1. Understanding no-evaluation prop firms. No-evaluation prop firms operate on the belief that every trader deserves a fair chance to showcase their trading skills and potential. Unlike traditional prop firms, which often require traders to pass evaluations, no-evaluation prop firms remove this barrier and allow traders to trade right away. By eliminating the evaluation process, these firms offer a more accessible path to aspiring traders who may have exceptional skills but lack the initial capital or resources to get started. Traders in no-evaluation prop firms can benefit from using the firm's capital, advanced trading tools, and technology infrastructure. This empowers them to execute trades and pursue their trading strategies without the financial burden and risks associated with using their personal funds. Segment 2. Advantages of no-evaluation prop firms. Now that we understand the concept, let's explore some of the advantages that no-evaluation prop firms bring to the table. First and foremost, no-evaluation prop firms offer an opportunity for traders to start trading immediately, regardless of their previous experience or financial situation. This can be a game changer for talented traders who are ready to showcase their skills and achieve their trading goals. Another significant advantage is the risk management support provided by these firms. No-evaluation prop firms often have well-established risk management frameworks in place, helping traders navigate the markets with confidence and minimize potential losses. Collaboration and mentorship are also key benefits of joining a no-evaluation prop firm. Traders can engage with experienced professionals and fellow traders, share knowledge, and learn from each other's experiences. This collaborative atmosphere fosters growth and enhances trading skills. Segment 3. Drawbacks and considerations. While no-evaluation prop firms offer exciting opportunities, it's essential to be aware of some of the potential drawbacks and considerations. One important factor is the profit-sharing structure. In most no-evaluation prop firms, traders are required to share a portion of their profits with the firm. It's crucial to understand and assess these profit-sharing arrangements to determine if they align with your trading goals and expectations. Additionally, some no-evaluation prop firms may have certain trading restrictions, such as limitations on trading instruments or maximum position sizes. It's important to review and understand these limitations to ensure they fit your trading strategies and objectives. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding no-evaluation prop firms. We've explored what these firms are, their advantages, and some important considerations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, evaluating different prop trading options can open new doors for your trading career. If you found this video informative and helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on trading strategies, market insights, and prop trading tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!